Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to provide a shipping address in the Etsy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the U button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the Settings button. And then click on the Manage Addresses button. And here just click on the Add a New Address button. And as you can see, you have to set your country. You have to provide your full name, your city and street address, and optionally your apartment or any other further information. And lastly, you have to provide your passcode. And before save it, you can click on to set it as default. And once everything is done, just click on the save button and your address will be added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.